Welcome to Man That's Cooking. In this video, we're going to show you how to make smoked Wagyu Ribeye. Yes, this is amazing steak right here, folks. Alright, so we're starting out with a Snake River Farms American Wagyu Gold Grade Ribeye steak. You can see here, this steak has got a lot of marbling. That's great flavor right there. And it's thick, and that's perfect for putting on the smoker. So we're going to keep the seasonings simple here, and we're just going to coat each side with olive oil, and then we're going to do some garlic powder, and we've got some artisanal fancy salt here, so we're going to have that. And finally, we're going to add some fresh cracked black pepper. Now, in case you're wondering, this is an American Wagyu steak here. And Wagyu is a Japanese cow. They're mostly famous for the amount of marbling in the meat. And there's different grades of that marbling, along with different price tags. So keep in mind, if you do happen to win Powerball, this should be your first celebration meal right here. Alright, it's time to cook. So we've got ourselves some mesquite wood pellets, and we're loading those up into the Yoder YS-480 smoker. Next, we're going to start the smoker and set it at 200 degrees. Once we're up to temperature, we're going to drop that steak onto the top rack. Next, you want to add a probe so you can monitor the temperature of this steak. And we're going to set the alarm at 100. And once the steak reaches 100, we're going to take this off and cover it with some tin foil, because we're going to crank this pellet smoker up to 450 degrees. And that's going to take a few minutes to get to that temperature. So that's why we're going to cover it up with a foil, keep the steak nice and warm. Alright, so we're going to open the burn pit door here on the smoker and drop in the grill grates. And then we're going to crank the temperature up to 450. So we're going to go for a reverse sear by cooking this steak on a high temperature. And we're going to go for about 1 to 1.5 minutes per side. Oh yeah, look at how nice and brown that steak is from the smoke. And now we're going to add the flavor of fire. Oh, this is going to be amazing. And if you want to pretend like you're at a fancy restaurant, you can go ahead and do the little 45-degree turn there and get yourself a little cross hatch marks. And we've got the lid on this smoker open. There's no reason to close it if you got to flip every minute or so. Alright, so we've got ourselves a good medium rarish. So it's time to pull this steak, and we're going to let it rest for at least 5 minutes. So remember, while it's resting, it's still going to cook a little bit. Let's see what we've got. Oh yeah, you could see the fat, you could see that flavoring. Look at this. Is that heavenly or what? Food porn flyover. And if you think this steak tastes amazing, you are correct. This steak is one of the best steaks you're gonna have. It cannot be beat by a standard store-bought steak. And we've got this steak paired up with homemade mac and cheese shells. And we've got some smoked bacon wrapped jalapenos. Oh yeah, what a meal. So thanks for watching this video. We hope you try this recipe at home one day. And if you do, give us some comments. Let us know what you think. Like, subscribe, check out our website, manthat'scooking.com. Thanks for watching.